Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Alipearl hair. They sent me this burgundy wig, and I'll be installing it with you guys, showing y'all everything that I did to get this slick bob look, y'all. Period. Don't play with that girl. She is not one of them. She is not one of them. So let's get right into this video. So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Alipearl hair. Everything will be in the description box, y'all. Literally everything. I love this bob look. I love this burgundy color on my skin. Like, I love it, y'all. Like, period. Like, how could you not? Literally, how could you not? It's definitely giving fall vibes, literally everything. And by it being a T-part wig, you can't wear it in or a half up, half down. It's really up to you. But y'all, everything will be in the description box, literally everything. You can use my discount code as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. And I will see y'all in my next video.